Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Hey friends, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. So, if you're new here, I am Tabitha, and I was born to DIY. If you're returning, thank you. You already know what time it is. So your girl is just gonna go ahead and kick off what I'm doing today. So just got back home from the gym. I folded little towels or whatever. And what I'm gonna do is just do some things that I basically been trying to do around things. Let's put it that way. So first I want to show y'all. Look what I did paint. I actually painted this I think I painted this maybe 2-3 days ago, and I just didn't get a chance to show you all. So I need to put my little floor arrangements in there. That's for one. Oh, my pillow covers did come in from Amazon finally. And if you recall, I told you that these were the 18 by 18, and they're the gold velvet. And I wanted the 18 by 18 because all of my other pillow covers are 20 by 20, with the exception of I have 4 large pillows that are 24 by 24. Okay. But the pillows that actually came with the sectional, they're gray, they're also blue and white, and they're orange. And I don't even know if this is the 18 by 18, to be honest with you. And so, with having all of those pillows, you know, I don't want to have to keep like storing them and putting them up somewhere because I don't have pillow covers for their size. Okay, this doesn't go to that one. I think it actually goes to maybe the blue and white. It's more of a, I'll show you. Let me get it 1 second. Okay, so it came with 2 of these, I think 4 of these, and then 2 of this size that is orange, or one orange. Anyway, I basically wanted to like I said, I'm gonna start buying a few 18 by 18s, so that way I can continue to use these when I'm putting the pillows on the sectional, which will only make sense anyway. But I never had to purchase 18 by 18 because I didn't have those pillow sizes. So these that I'm doing those with this. And then, as I stated, I am also going to do the floral in the the vase that I spray painted. So we'll put those in the vase. And then I'm going to show you, I stopped by the Dollar Tree um, today. And the only reason I stopped at this Dollar Tree because I went to the Aldi's. That fits perfect. I'll put that in there shortly. I went to Aldi's, the one that had the grand opening today. And so I went in there to see what they have. I did pick up a few things, but nothing for me to show y'all. Let me just say that. But I did want to show you some things that I stopped in a Dollar Tree on that side of the town because it's on the complete opposite side of town of me. And so it was things that I had never seen that was in the one, two, three, four Dollar Trees that are near me. But anyway, let me just show y'all those. So remember, I have the table that is here. Okay. And I'm not going to wait and do this tomorrow. I'm going to still do it now, even though this wall is getting painted tomorrow. But anyway, so what I did was I seen, look, what I seen that was at the Dollar Tree. And none of mine's by me had those. And I didn't know they have a light in them. So wait, if I put batteries in them, they have lights. I may not put, you know what? I have some lights that I can actually plug up and put over there. So I'm probably not going to even do that. But anyway, so what I also grabbed while I was there was I grabbed little things to go into the village that they had. And so I want to put me up a little winter village over here on that table. Look, aren't those cute? Look at the we got the church, okay? We got the church house. And then we have, let's set the tree farm, hot cocoa. So we got the coffee shop, we got the church house, and then I had another bag. Oh, here we go. I was gonna say, I know I had another bag. I got two of the little green trees, and I actually have some other trees that are smaller than this. So if these are too big, it won't be a problem. I can actually replace them with the trees that I normally use on my coffee bar. Look at the diner. Cute. And then I also picked up this. This is the Village Floors. Look at the floor shop. Cute. Yes. So, like I said, I grabbed those. I did not see those in any of the Dollar Trees that was near me. So, yeah. And then I'm just going to use this. It says a little glitter drape, but I'm going to use this as to put down like around on the ground. And I think I had one other thing that I want to show you. Oh, I had these that finally came in. I had some other things. Remember, I told you all that I was waiting on. And what I was going to do is just show you all, because you wasn't going to get a haul this week, okay? That I basically was just going to show you once the things came in. And I got these that's going to go in my room. This color is more of the color that is in my room than in here. And then I have already had these that I can't even tell you where I purchased these from, because I had these for like 2 or 3 years. I can't even tell you. It may have been, if it wasn't Michael's, it would have been Hobby Lobby. Let me just say that. But as you can see, there are two different greens, but this is the green that's in my room, and this is the green that is in here. And this part of this is going to go into the floor arrangement that I'm going to put in the floor vase. So, yeah. So anyway, friends, we're going to go ahead and get into that. Like I said, get the little floor arrangement done. It was something else I had intended to do. I don't know. Well, anyway, whatever I remain to decide to do, I'm going to take you all along with me. So sit back, enjoy the video, and I'll chat back with you all later in a little bit. Okay?
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, friends, so as you can see, I went on ahead and put the gold pillow covers over the pillows, and now I have started setting up my little winter village. So what I didn't know is that I know when I just showed you this little cloth, it said glitter, but from the package, it looks like it was a little specks here and there. However, when you open it, there's a pile of glitter on the inside, and it was just falling everywhere. So I just shake some of that on the floor, and I went and got the vacuum and got that mess up right away. Yeah. So I'm just setting this up. So what I'm doing is I'm setting up to just get a visual, right? But what I'm going to do is, what you'll see, I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you a closer look. I'm going to need to get another of this white felt cloth. So that is my snow. And then this, I'm going to get, when I leave my nail appointment tomorrow, I'm going to stop at, there's two Dollar Trees on that side of town. I'm going to check over there and see if they have some different things that I can add here. Like, I want to get some more people. I'm going to put like I want to get like maybe different other houses there. I would love to have some little shrubs to go there. I did see a train at that particular Dollar Tree that I had went to, but that was by the new Aldi's, and I didn't get it. Hopefully they have that train, and if so, I will get the train. And then what I think I'm going to do, since I actually like this, I think I'm going to look onto Amazon, like not this year, but after the Christmas holidays, I'm going to look and try to get other things. Like I can get like the street, the road and all that. And I can have that for next year. Like I never been into this, but when I seen this actually in the Dollar Tree, I don't know, for some reason I was like, oh, I like this. And so, yeah, what I did do in the end, I had some lights that battery operated. I just laid that across there. Listen, I'm not about to purchase all of these batteries to go into these individually items. Okay, that's a lot of batteries. Who's finna come and turn those on and turn those off. I don't know about all that, okay? But anyway, so that's what I did. And I just put that little one set of string lights. But when I go back by the Dollar Tree, like I stated, after the nail appointment, I'm going to pick up some of those other lights that I can plug up behind there. And it will go great just right there in that area. Now I am moving on to start doing my floral arrangement in the floor vase. Doesn't that black look nice? Anyway, I have the vase stuffed with brown paper. So that is like, you know, when you order packages from like Amazon or whatever. I had some things that came in. Some of the other things I can't say the places because people are watching, and those are Christmas gifts. So I just took those papers out and stuffed it in there. That way, when I put in these pics, you know, they have some height to them. Well, once I wanted them to sit up right in the center, what I did is I took this little round phone from the Dollar Tree, and I set that in the center so that way I can keep those in place. Anyway, also, since those gold curtains that I had put in into the master's bathroom came with 4, I end up at putting 2 of those in the hall bathroom alongside of the green curtains. So I included a picture of that at the end of this video. So, friends, I want to say thank you so much for stopping by today's video. I greatly appreciate everyone that has been stopping by, watching my Vlogmas. Some days have been a challenge, but I am still pushing through. And I'll look forward to sharing the next video. So, friends, remember to be bold, be creative, and most importantly, be you. Until next time, friends. Well, no. Until tomorrow, friends. Bye.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.